How to say Happy New Year in Tibetan? Year in Tibetan is Lo, New in Tibetan is Sar, New Year in Tibetan is Losar. When you wish someone Happy New Year in Tibetan, you say Losar Tashi Delek. If you want to add more lines to Happy New Year, you say Losar Tashi Delek Ne me te ring tashi. One hearing this would be overjoyed. Me means no illness. Te ring means long life. Tashi means luck and prosperity in everything you do and wish. So, if you want to wish someone this new year in Tibetan, you could say Losar Tashi Delek. Finally, as the year 2023 and 2022 ends, I would like to thank everyone, especially those who are following this channel. Thank you, Tukjiche, Losar Tashi Delek, Neme Tsering Tashi. Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful year ahead. Bye-bye.